There's a lot of different financing options for condos and townhomes. But I think another thing is people are really surprised. A lot of first-time home buyers really lean on their parents for feedback. And, it's a big real estate legend, the dad that comes in during home inspection to, say, this house is not going to be a fit for my kid. It needs too much work. You look at a comparable price in a condo or townhome, tend to have much newer construction.
A lot less maintenance concerns because it's all taken care of.
Yes, and being able to explain, like, you are insuring not the entire dwelling or the entire structure, but you're part of it. You're not going to have to worry about that exterior maintenance. Okay, you do in a sense because you're part of the homeowners association. The homeowners association is responsible for that, but it's a lot easier as a stepping stone into home ownership. So I think it is something that if you had thought that you just really aren't going to be able to find something that is suitable for you within your budget, open yourself up to the idea of condos or townhomes because there can be some really nice perks. Another big thing, people go that direction sometimes when they're downsizing. And
legend has it there's a lot of people on the verge of downsizing around here too.
Legend has it.